The words and the are called articles. Let's have a look in details. Hello friends, this is me Hadi, and today I'm with a new topic, and the topic is article. To understand this topic, I would prefer you to watch this and this video. The links are in below description. Use of a. We use a with common nouns that are singular and begin with consonant sounds. For example, a boy, a carpet, and a mango. Use of an. We use an with common nouns that are singular and begin with vowel sounds. For example, an orange, an elephant, an earring. Use of the. We use the with proper nouns that are only one of their kind. For example, a Suez Canal, the Himalayas, the Nile. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you really learned something from Little Professors, so like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get my all upcoming videos. And don't forget to share it because I'm going to bring more topics for you. Bye!